Hi students, today we're going to compare and contrast two animals that you read about in the book Big Bites, a beaver and a baboon. We're going to do this in a Venn diagram. We'll look at things that they have in contrast of each other. Which one had 32 teeth? That was the baboon, and so you would move that over in the circle underneath baboon. Which one had 20 teeth? That would have been the beaver, so you'll move that over underneath the beaver. And then you'll complete the other things and move them into the circles where they belong, whether it is something to compare that they have in common or whether it is something to contrast things that they have that are different.